Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming another HelloFresh cooking video. I'm really enjoying filming these for you guys and I'm pretty hungry and this meal sounds pretty tasty. So I'm going to be making the chicken, sausage, and spinach ricotta ravioli. This is what it looks like. I've got everything prepped and ready to go. I've got to cut the vegetables. They're already washed. I've got water in my pot for the ravioli. I just have to turn it on and start it. So if you're interested in seeing how this dish turns out, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so to get started, I've got my vegetables already washed, or my produce already washed and ready to cut. Everything else is in this bag. We've got some Italian seasoning, 2 little things of sour cream, as well as some chicken stock concentrate, I believe is what it is. So that is everything that I have. I've also got the ravioli right here. Our pot of water is boiling, it is salted, and then we also have the sweet Italian chicken sausage mix. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and slice the scallions or the green onions, and I'm going to separate the whites from the greens. So I'm going to go ahead and do that part first. Okay, now that our scallions are sliced, I'm gonna go ahead and dice up the tomato. All right, our tomato is diced, so I'm gonna go ahead and quarter the lemon. All right, so now that our produce is sliced, we're gonna go ahead and turn the heat on for this pan. And add a drizzle of oil. And we're going to add the scallion whites, as well as the sausage and the Italian seasoning. Okay, now that our meat is browned, we're going to go ahead and add in the tomato and cook that until it's softened. And since our water is boiling, we're also going to add the ravioli into that and turn it to a low simmer so that it can cook, and it will only take about 5 minutes. Ravioli really doesn't take a long time to cook, so we're going to go ahead and do that as well. Alright, so now that the tomatoes are softened, we're going to go ahead and stir in the chicken stock concentrate. As well as some lemon juice. It says a squeeze, but I really like lemon, so I'm gonna actually add in 2 lemon slices or quarters. And then we're also gonna take some of the pasta water and splash some of that in there. Alright, now we're going to stir in the sour cream as well as a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt and pepper to this. And now I'm going to drain and scoop the ravioli into the mixture. You could drain it into the sink, but because this spoon is big enough and slotted, I'm just gonna do it like this. To serve, I'm just going to carefully scoop the ravioli and sauce onto this plate. Okay, so the camera just shut off, but all I did was finish plating this, and now I'm just going to top it with some of the scallion greens. And serve it with a slice of lemon. And I'm gonna test it out and see what we think. Alright, so here is the completed dish. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I'm going to squeeze some of this lemon on top, if I can grab a hold of it. Just squeeze some on. And let's try this and see how we did. It's got really good acidity. The sausage is not super overbearing. I know some sausages I'm not a fan of because they use too much, I believe it's anise that they use in it that gives it that peppery sausage flavor, and I'm not a real big fan of that. But this doesn't have a lot of that in it. The green onions give it a really nice crunch. Let's go ahead and try the pasta, the ravioli. Let's see what we think. If I can get some of it. The pasta is cooked really good. It started to soak up some of the sauce, which is really nice. Take a big bite. It's really good. I think if I let it sit a little bit longer and kind of simmer on a little bit lower heat, then the flavors would really meld together and it would be even more delicious. But this is really, really good. I would kind of like some like fresh Parmesan on top maybe. But overall, it was a super, super easy and quick dish, and I do really like it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little cook with me video, and if you are enjoying these, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.